It's just gone past 6 in the morning. I've driven all the way from South Wales to West Wales to my farm. My mind has taken a huge shift over the past couple of weeks. As my farm is dying, my acting career is really picking up. And on another issue, the local area where my farm is, and my animals are now going to be at threat, is a place where they're bringing immigrants. So it's going to change the demography and change how people are, which is a big shame. And on that note, I'm actually, something that I'd stepped away from last year big time, I'm actually getting my archaeological report writing done, which is really, really positive as well. On the other angle, where I'm moving away from friends, or friends are passing on, the language Cymraeg that I occasionally do speak in Cymru, Wales is dying, which is a great shame. But on a positive aspect, I'm starting to write my books again, so I can at least tell you more about the heritage and culture of this wonderful land of Cymru. So that was my little start for this time in the morning. Thank you for watching.